Project we're going to copy with the clone tool, and what we're going to do is we're going to add at least 4 butterflies to this picture of butterflies that I've got down here. So what I need to do first is right click on the picture, press the right mouse button, and then I'm going to save the image as so that I can edit it in GIMP. So I'm going to save it right on the desktop. Click on desktop on the left to make sure you're there, and then I can just click save. Next thing I need to do is open up GIMP. Mine's already opened here. If yours wasn't open, you would just click on the Start menu and find GIMP 2 and click on that. But mine's already open, and now I just need to open the picture of the butterflies. So go to File, Open, and then I find where I saved the butterflies on the desktop. So click on the desktop, then click on the picture of the butterflies. It's called Monarchs JPEG. And now your picture should open up. And this looks good. We could work from here, but I'm actually going to make my window a little bit bigger and zoom in on the area I want to work with so that I can see it a little bit better. So I'm just going to click on the magnifying glass here. And remember, any tool, if you hover over the tool, the text box pops up and tells you what the tool is called. So this one's the zoom tool. So I'm just going to drag a rectangle. That one went a little bit too big. So to zoom out, there's a bunch of ways to zoom out. The best way that I like is to go to Zoom or View, then Zoom. And I like to fit the whole image in the window. Zoom all the way back out so that you can see the whole image. And now I'm going to drag a better rectangle around where I want to work. Now that I'm zoomed in, I'm just going to click on the clone tool that we already used, and I'm going to select where I want to copy from. So I want to copy from this butterfly. So I'm going to move my mouse to the corner of the butterfly, right on the butterfly's head. I'm going to hold in on the control button and click on the butterfly. And when I do that, it leaves a little dotted line circle on the head of the butterfly. And when I move my cursor away, that's where I'm going to copy to. So the place that I click next, I'm not holding the control button anymore. I'm just going to click and drag, and I'm watching the circle that's on the butterfly on the right hand side, the butterfly that's already there. I'm watching and trying to make the circle go right along the edge of this butterfly. I don't want to copy anything besides the butterfly, but I want to make sure that I get the whole thing in there. So I'm following the outline of this butterfly, and once I'm all the way around, I've got the whole outline done. Now I can start filling in the whole inside of the butterfly. So I just want to fill in this whole butterfly just like this. And once the whole thing is done, I can let go of the mouse button. But I want to make sure I hold in the mouse button the entire time I'm copying or cloning from the butterfly. Once that one's done, I want to zoom back out, View, Zoom, Fit Image in Window. And this is the butterfly that we added right here. I want to add at least 3 more, so a total of 4 butterflies added.